How to know if Instagram account is hacked. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the DM section as the very first option. So just check if you have any messages that has been sent to other person that is not in concern with you. So after checking on the messages, you can just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Account Center, scroll down and here tap on Passwords and Security. Now under Security Checks, what you simply need to do is tap on where you are logged in. So just tap on it, select on your profile over here, and you'll be able to see which are the devices, where are you logged in, and so on. If there are any devices that is unknown to you, then that might aware you about your account being hacked. Next, tap on Login Alerts, and here you can also see if you have been alerted by using different notifications or if you have any notification that you missed out regarding your login. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.